6 days we built this car. 6 days. We pulled it in the garage on a Saturday. It was just a rolling chassis. No engine, no transmission, nothing. The engine bay was empty. 6 days, we got it running. Things making 600 horsepower. It's time to go racing.
Fixed radiator fan. We didn't really record none of that because we were just thrashing. Just should have had the wife grab the phone and start recording, but what's up? It's not the other one, but it's one. Fucking nerve!
Alright, let's get you guys an update. So, we got here with NFL, as you guys saw. Made the first test pass. Got back, looked at the log. Airfield's rating like 14.3, which is not ideal. So, went and did a little side tuning here on a street. And could not get the air fuels to get any richer. So, and then the AM gauge took a crap. So I'm thinking the wideband just took a crap because I was giving it more fuel. The car was reacting like it was getting more fuel because it was bogging down real bad. And then it just was running like crap. So obviously I pulled the fuel back out, kind of put the tune back to where it was last night, which was like 11.5s, 11.3s, and it was running a lot better. But we just don't have a wideband gauge. No one has a spare here, so we're calling it quits for now. We don't want to blow the car up. We got it done. We got it to the track. He made one pass down, so kind of mission accomplished. So we'll get the car back. We're gonna get hopefully the boost issue kind of figured out, and then get the gauge swapped, and then kind of do some better street tuning. Get this thing on the dyno, and then kind of have it more tuned in for the next race, which is in 3 weeks. So we'll see how it goes. Well, considering we built a car in a week, the garage doesn't look too bad. But we're back from Pueblo, and that's a wrap on event number 1. Had a little bit of trouble with the NFL, but we did get the car done. We got it to the track. Seth made one pass down the track. It wasn't the best pass. Could be a lot better. Should be a lot better. But I mean, for us building this car in 6 days, yeah, technically 6 days, it could have been a lot worse. I mean, we had the radiator blow up, which found out that the wires got sucked into the fan blades, which caused the fan to like blow up, to implode on itself. And then just the wideband gauge, just, I don't know, haven't had one of those go out, but that one was in Seth's car, so it's really old, so I'm just chalking it up to that. So we're back. I'm finally recovered, got a good night's sleep, So it's time to get this thing unloaded. And then we got parts coming to try to put a 44 millimeter wastegate on it, so that way we can hopefully control the boost. If that doesn't fix it, then we may have to get a new manifold, or we'll see. But I'm hoping the bigger wastegate helps control the boost. And then we'll swap out the AM gauge, hopefully get the wideband going and everything. And pretty much those are like the two big issues with the car. We got to get the boost control, which is obviously a big issue. We got to get the boost control figured out, get the wideband reading, and then if those are all good, we'll do a little bit more street tuning, and then we're going to hit the rollers, the dyno, to get numbers, to get torque numbers, so we can see how much power we could actually put down without like getting close to the failure for the transmission gears, which I don't want to really go above like 450, 425 torque. So we'll see what this setup does. And then if all that goes good, then the car will be ready to take out to the next event, which we'll have to go travel out of state to Kearney, Nebraska, which if you guys watched other videos, we went out there last year with NFT. Great track. It's about a 5-hour drive from the house, so it's not too terrible. But if everything goes good, we got a couple weeks. 1, 2, 3, we got like 3 weeks before the next race, so that's plenty of time to get this thing 100%. So I just want to make sure it's 100% before we lug it all the way out there. But we'll see. We'll get it going. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this thrash. It was a fun little competition to have within myself. Like I said, pulled the car in on a Saturday, had that thing at the track the next Saturday. So it was pretty sweet. It was fun. I'm happy. I feel accomplished. Like I said, we got to the track and it made a pass. I didn't go in with well, I always say positive. I'm like, oh, we could win, but I wasn't putting money on it. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember, get your asses out there. GSD. Catch you guys on the next one.